There are many myths in our universe, some known and some unknown. So let us see about some myths related to our universe. The myths of our universe. So today's topic is alien life. Many of you have wondered aliens do not exist, but there are many evidences proving that alien life exists in our universe. One of them is the life on Mars. This is the first myth which we are going to be talking in this video. A Viking lander, a spaceship, was sent into Mars to test if there was any evidence of life in the Mars soil. So the Viking lander tested the Mars soil, which proved that there was life on Mars. But unfortunately, many scientists argue that there is no life on Mars. The equipments were not at all good to search for evidence of the organic molecules present in the soil. So still it is debatable that is there life on Mars. But many of the scientists also believe that there is life on Mars, as the Viking lander proved that there was life on Mars by testing the Mars's soil. The second myth is about fossils of Mars. Many years ago, a fossil, a stone, a potato-shaped stone was found in Antarctica. The stone looked like a fossil. Many scientists believe that this must have come from Mars. It blasted off from the Mars due to some collision and then landed in Antarctica. But many people think this is completely false. They said that it is just from the Earth. But still scientists are debating and trying to find is this fossil really from Mars or it is not from Mars. The last myth is mysterious stone carvings. You must have heard of many stone monuments made in the past. But have you thought how were they made? Yes, stones are very heavy and they need to be carried long distances to build new things. Today we have modern machinery. We can carry stones and build houses perfectly. But in the olden days, the monuments and other buildings were even more perfect than what we see today. How did they carry the stones? There were big stones found. There were perfect carvings without any modern machinery. How did our early ancestors make such perfect stone carvings without any modern machinery? This is one of the biggest truths yet to be discovered. Many scientists believe that many extraterrestrial machinery may have been used by our early civilizations, which means that alien tools may have been used by them to lift the rocks cut it. This is a tomb found in a famous place in Egypt, which was made out of granite. How is it even possible? Because now also it's very hard to melt granite and shape it such perfectly. In the olden days, there was no machinery. How was this granite shaped so perfectly? Many people think that aliens only must have helped our early civilizations to build this. Or did they have some extra knowledge about what to do? It is still debatable that how did they build such perfect monuments and buildings? And how did they move the stones? This is still a myth. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Never Ending Knowledge. Thank you.